I just fine art in it's brilliant red. And if it happens now. Here we go. Here's a glaze. I don't want too much of the barn to show up too much because here, and you've got to be careful. There's lots of water. I want to get some color on there, disappear some of that. Maybe a little bit of this. Disappear some of this. A little bit more. The idea of this kind of a technique is to, when you look at it, everything, all the focal point is right in the front, right there. Maybe a little bit of down. Right there. You don't lose it. You just gray it down. It's almost like fog maybe, but it's just a technique. And I like to try different techniques. This door kind of bothers me. There's a 2. Let's bring a little, I don't know. I don't know what you call it, but you know how farmers are, they're not real great. As far as, you know, there might be hay sticking around. Here's another thing. I'm going to splash some paint on this. It's like kind of a, now I'm going to use some black ink with a rigger and try to bring in just a little bit of things going on here. Look kind of carefully. I'm not too I make this pants just a little bit bluer. And maybe a little bit blue over here. There's no blue anywhere, so I'm trying to get some blue. That's what's nice about pastel. You see, you can gotta bring some grays in there. See, all your background is faded out. And then you have your focal point right there. Okay, I put it in a mat. And I did do a couple other things to it. I added a little bit more of a barn back in here and a little bit more barn back in there because I wanted to make it fill in the space better. But I would call that finished. So I do want to show you a little bit of close-up if I can regulate this right. A little close-up in the barn. And down here, the chickens. See, I faded all the distance back so that the focal point would stand out. It's just a little bit different technique. You see how I did that? Just faded it out. Here's a little bit close up of the barn. You know, I think it turned out pretty successful. And I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. You know, I am just so blessed because next week I'm going to be 94 and I can do all this work. And the Lord gives me strength every day. And with Easter coming up, it's a wonderful day. Easter is a day that the Lord rose and He's alive. And He's alive in my heart. And I hope He's alive in your heart today. And may God bless you, every one of you. And thank you, fans, for all the nice comments you give me. I sure do appreciate them. And it encourages me. And I hope that you're painting every day. Just keep painting. It's a joy. It keeps you happy and healthy. And so, God bless you all. Goodbye.